Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good afternoon. Let me present you the new chapter of I Don't Know His Majesty is a Girl, chapter 78. So here it is. Let's read the story. To Xinian and Jiangshu, since she wants her to introduce to her parents. This is crazy. No matter how good your relationship it is, you can play like this. If the dignified emperor pretends to be a woman, it's seen by the others. What does it look like? Lord Yu, not pretending to be a woman. I am indeed a daughter. Nonsense. How can you be a daughter? Lord Yu said to Xinian. Well, of course, right now, you really won't believe that Xinian is really a girl. Till now, Lord Yu said it was really nonsense that Xinian is really a daughter. This is a matter of losing your head, and you are not allowed to make a joke, her dad said to her. Well, of course, right now, this thing sounds very incredible. The master is understandable. He doesn't believe it, but please, listen to me. Xinian said to her father-in-law. Until now, she really want to convince him, but of course, the old man, he don't want to believe on hers. Adults should also know that Empress Dowager was a little nobleman at first. When she got Xinian, her mother was precious and her son was precious. The emperor had 3,000 sons on the harem. There were more children of the noble person who gave birth to the children. Naturally, no one cares about the girl. The third woman who thought slavery was lying that she gave birth to the prince. Well, so courageous. I wouldn't like to phrase a sentence for being bold, Mr. Yu said to Xinian. Well, until now, he might be really not convinced that she is really a girl. But no one thought that the prince would hunt 10 skies one by one, and the late emperor would also lose her body. The heirs of the royal family withered, and I, who was supposed to be a princess, become the only prince, only sibling of the royal emperor. After the queen mother makes such a big rebellion thing, and has no one noticed that so many years? Until now, Mr. Yu, he is hardly believing like this. Well, Xinyan is trying to explain herself. The Queen Mother has long been extinguished. Maybe the people knew that the Queen Mother has been controlled at the court for so many years. Maybe they already knows about it. But more such a thing, there's no evidence that they can see. She suffered a lot of losses a few days ago. If it's not overly overworked, the imperial doctor said, but she was dizzy. Now, the little queen is trying to convince her father to help them, right? But Jiangshu's mother, how can this be? Such a cruel parent. Well, she only thinks that Xinian, she is being treated unfair by her parent, especially her mother, right? But now, it really makes sense. Mother, I have selfishness. I don't miss the whole day. I don't want her to walk on the edge of the cliff all the time. But the daughter also knows that these matters taken by the Queen Mother, the court will even more turbulent. The Queen Mother has born in a bad background, but still, she can deceive the two dynasties' son. She is really smart. She can be so smart, not even enough for her to control the court bureau. Daddy must still remember what she's done. The big lie. After so many years of hiding, he fled with the courtiers of the court and the people of the world, living in her farms. Mr. Yu said to Xinian. Now, it really makes sense. Mr. Yu, he is really getting angry. Now, Xinian, she's trying to coax her. Daddy, please help me, and Xinian. Oh, now, she's trying to get a favor on her dad to help them to solve this problem. Don't do this, does her knee hurt? Xinian is trying to stop. Of course, she really won't budge in. Well, let's see if Mr. Yu can really help her two daughters right now. If it's a daughter, then Yu. Oh no, did she really want to confirm about this? She is really a daughter. Well, let's see on what will happen next. Well, Xinian, I treat you in my heart, in heaven and earth, and no matter what, whether his mother is successful or not, I will definitely protect you thoroughly. Xinian promising to her dad. Well, definitely, this is really getting great. Also, please, rest assured. Xinian, she was still trying to coax Mr. Yu. Well, definitely, Mr. Yu can really forgive her because she always saved viewers all the time. The little queen said, Nyan Nyan, before we are in chaos, let's go out and play. Well, I haven't visited the market outside of the palace yet, Xinyan said to her. So now, they're going on the market to buy something. My sister made me 2 new clothes and I don't know if you can wear it. I didn't want to bring it to the palace at first, so when you come back to me next time, well, definitely, Xinyan right now. Yan Yan, what if even my parents don't want to go to the muddy water and refuse? Whether it's a promise or not, I have no right to blame, Xinyan said to her. And it seems that Mr. Yu, that Xinyan is really a girl, just that I'm going to drag you down and walk on the tip of the knife together. Oh no, the little queen said, don't say that. Well, probably she's been overprotected on Xinyan. For both the public and private, this matter will always be broken or offer on the tip of the knife. There are too many people who walk, maybe they will be able to use that without the ability. Whether my parents agree or not, at least I am by your side. Ailan is here. Mingwei, also, you are always not alone. Well, definitely, she was right. Now, she is trying to coax her. Well, she really hugged her tightly. She looks really comfortable right now. Well, this is good, right? The relationship is really getting better. Let's see. Now, Xinyan, she was acting like she's been sticky to her. Look at her. She really won't budge in. The two of them are hugging each other tightly. This is really amazing. It was the Aija who underestimated the Emperor and the Queen. I thought that I have managed to get the Emperor to come to the courtiers and public. Sooner or later his mother. But I didn't expect that able to be pressed down. Now, the Aija, the Queen Mother, said to one of the servants, the Emperors and the Queens have all left the palace, and now is the best time to do it. You know what to do. It really makes sense, right? It's really getting tougher. Once you make a move, it will vanishing move. So it turns out, she was planning to attack the queen again. Let's see. There's no bad thing will happen on the queen. It was obvious my pregnancy in the 10th month of pregnancy, but she is so disobedient. She want to give up on me first and the little chess piece, then change an obedient chess piece. Now, looking at the queen mother, she was really slying like a fox. Remember, we still need the emperors alive and she is still useful to us. The queen mother said to the one of the followers. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining the membership or you can directly support me via Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye!